guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I received a menu planning kit from the Passionate Penny Pincher. They have a couple of different versions. So this is the summer series. They have a crock pot one as well as a freezer meals one. So I just wanted to open this up, take a quick look, and here we go. All right, so it comes in this really cute cardboard box. And it says menu planning made easy summer series. Inside there is an insert. You can pull this guy out. Looks like you get 12 dividers, 12 grocery lists, and 72 recipe cards. So this is a little different from just getting a bunch of recipes in the mail. We've got dividers, and we've got some, whoops, all right. Those are out of the box. We've got, it looks like some bonus recipes here. Here are the dividers, and then here are the welcome packages. So let me open up the packages and we'll go through them in just a second. All right, everyone, I've freed all of the note cards from their plastic captives. And here we go. Let's go ahead and dive in. The first one is this really big chunk here. This has all of the recipes in it. And then there was also a section for dividers. So they're by weeks. There are 12 weeks here, which is amazing. And then there were also these bonus recipe cards. So those will fit in here somehow, but let's go ahead and look through this. First, we have a welcome message from the founder, and just a really nice message. So on the upper right, it says, simply plan your grocery trip once a week, pick up what you need from the included grocery lists, and you'll have plenty of food for a week's worth of meals with hardly any prep time at your house. Let's see if I'm really looking forward to testing that out. And then we also have helpful hints here. So she has some hints. This is the summer grilling series, so there's a lot of grilling going on. You'll need heavy duty aluminum foil. She's got some tips, and then some conversions here, some abbreviations here, and then some time-saving tips. Okay, and then next are the table of contents. So these are all of the recipes that you get in here, and they're separated out by weeks. So here are weeks 1 through 6, and all right, let's see. We have 6 recipes. It's usually 5 mains plus 1 dessert. And then on the other side here are weeks 7 through 12. I haven't looked at all of these in depth, but I'm pretty excited for these. And I know it's the middle of winter when I'm filming this, but summer can't come soon enough. And it's not snowing here, so I can go outside and grill. Okay, so let's look at the grocery list for week 1. This is going to be all of the items that you need to make all of the recipes in week 1, okay? And I just want to say that this grocery list, I think all of the grocery lists, they are on a laminate, so you can use a dry erase marker to check off all of the things that you need. Theoretically, all of this should provide all of the meals for the week. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. On the other side, it has the grocery list week 1, summer menus, and then pantry staples that you'll need. So most of these items, hopefully you have some of them in your pantry, like salt and pepper, got that. Got some ground thyme and Dijon mustard. And I'm not a strict recipe follower, so even though it says ground thyme, I don't have ground thyme actually, I have thyme. I'm just gonna use that. I don't feel like grinding it up. Anyway, I like the taste of thyme. So make sure you don't fall into that trap of like, oh, it doesn't say exactly this, because it'll be fine. Most of the time, it'll be okay. All right, so that is the recipe, or not the recipe, that's the shopping list for week 1. And then here are the recipes. So, they are color coordinated. So for example, the first week is a gray color, and then I think I have week 2 here. Week 2 is more of a navy color. So just so you can get those 2 here. And so each recipe card starts off with the title on top, and then it gives you prep time, cook time, serves how many, and then a general calories per serving. They do have biblical faith, I guess you would want to call them faith quotes at the bottom. This doesn't necessarily bother me because I don't read it really, but if it bothers you, that's something to take into consideration. Okay, and then let's flip it over, and here's the actual recipe card. So it shows you the ingredients, 3 pounds pork tenderloin, so on and so forth. This is a pretty simple recipe. And then it has directions on how to prepare the meal. And it looks like, you know, here it says grill for 10 minutes. I'm sure I can pop this in the oven. It's not gonna be a big deal. So, I mean, you just have to make sure it reaches an internal temperature of 145. So just because this says it's a summer menu, it doesn't mean you only have to make it in the summer. You can make it. I feel like most of these you can make whenever. Okay, so let's go ahead and sort these recipes with these dividers in this box. Okay, I've sorted everything, and it looks like they gave some extra recipe cards. So if you have some favorite recipes, it'd be great to put these in there. So I'm just gonna tuck these probably in the back. These guys up front. And then it did come with these bonus recipes, at least I think they're bonus recipes. So I'm just gonna try and match them up. So the first one is a grilled barbecue chicken. And on the directions, it does say, note, grilled chicken is reserved from barbecue chicken and veggie packets recipe. And, oh, it says summer menus week 8. Oh, so convenient. Okay, so let's double check. Week 8. Oh. Let's look at week 8 on here instead of digging through that box. Okay, so it says barbecue chicken and veggie packets. Perfect. So I'm just going to pop this behind that, or just in back of 8, week 8. And then Tuscan style shrimp packets. This is week 9. Okay, and mixed berry spinach salad with grilled chicken. This is week 3. Okay, sesame pasta with grilled chicken. This is week 5. Okay, so here's the finished product. Everything is in here in its rightful place. Everything's sorted out by weeks. There's a beautiful gradient of colors here. And I am going to get to work on this grocery list for week 1. Try it out and I'll report back. I tried out the upside down pizza casserole, and it was super easy to put together and add in your own ingredients as well. I added in mushrooms and spinach. I should have added in some more veggies, but always improvement for next time. I was actually sick when I made this, so I didn't get a chance to try it out. But the next day, I opened up the fridge and it looked like this. My husband and my 18-month-old ate that much of a 9x13 pan. So I'd say it's husband and kid approved. The second recipe that I tried out was the garlic and herb pork tenderloin. And this is a recipe that said to grill, but I popped it in the oven and it was fine. It was actually really very delicious. My husband approved of it. He was like, where are you getting these recipes? They're amazing. Thanks for watching my unboxing and organizing and sorting of the summer meals from the Passionate Penny Pincher. If you guys have tried out these recipes, or if you have their freezer or crockpot series, let me know. I'm new to this company as well as their products, and I did buy this with my own money, so it's not sponsored or anything. So talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching.